fix headset mic picking up PC audio in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run the speech troubleshooter. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 2. Rollback audio drivers. In the Device Manager window, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers category. Look for the audio driver that you want to update and right-click on it. Select Update Driver from the context menu. In the Update Drivers window, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Method 3. Check sound settings. Right-click on the microphone again and select Set as Default Device. Right-click on the microphone and select Properties. In the Microphone Properties window, click on the Levels tab. Drag the volume slider towards the largest value to increase the microphone volume. Click OK to save the changes.